Hey, welcome to this video. So I'm just going to do a review of a shop that's making over 6 figures a month, and you're going to be shocked when you see this. So let's dive right in. So the way I found this is I went to here and I just typed in digital planner, and then you'll see a whole bunch of them. Digital planners are super popular right now on Etsy, and in fact, if you have the ability to make these, you should. Now they're a little bit more involved than a typical digital download or digital product, but let's just go to product analytics and have a look at these. Yeah, the numbers are staggering. So if we sort by that, look at this, 40,000 sales, and the listing is 31 months old. Oops, not even that one. Let's go to the age of the store. That's 33 months. So this is a fairly new store, and fairly new at like over 2.5 years. But let's check this out. I'm gonna go right to the listing. You can see monthly sales about 1,300, 17,000 revenue, 40,000 total sales. Just insane, right? So let's go look at this, and then we'll see the store that's on too. So this is a premium digital planner, 2023, 2024, undated, iPad, GoodNotes, Notability, Samsung Digital Journal, Daily Planner, digital dated version 11, whatever that means. But this whole thing is crazy. Like, these digital ones, so I guess people download these. I'm not a planner guy, although I think I'm going to become one in the very near future because these files are insane. So it says this planner itself has over 5,500 reviews. It's actually at 7,080 reviews. It's amazing. So if you look at all the different pages that it has, 7 premium themes. My planners are fully themed, meaning that in addition to the top and side tabs, you also get themed monthly, weekly, and daily pages, providing you with more aesthetically beautiful and cohesively themed planner. You're free to try each of the themes an unlimited number of times without restriction. So it's basically, they create some color palettes, they create the base thing, and then they just toss it in there all together. And then, so all of a sudden this planner has like 7 different themes. It says like buttery smooth. Like, this is just ideal. You can tell that they're really good at what they do. So they got here on the sidebar and then the top as well. And like, this is just, it's a PDF with links is all it is. And then they got a self-care one, productivity, balanced, minimal, 24-hour journal, half journal, canvas, priority matrix, graph, and then blank. And they throw all these together in an organized fashion. Then you got even more weekly page layouts, monthly pages, goals. All this stuff is just nuts that they're putting in here. Quick menu, like, it's just crazy. So, and they put all this together, and then they got all these covers too, and they sell it for $7. And they're making a mint. So if you take this, 7,080, show you in a second. Let's go up here. So 7,080 divided by, say, 15% of the people. There's your 47,000 sales times 7.11. That's 335,000 in revenue off a friggin' digital planner. Now that is before fees. If you hit this calculate profit, it'll show a more accurate picture. It's more like 577. So let's actually use that 577. And we can see that 47,200 times 5.77, there's your profit on digital planner. So even if you can't make this, if you pay somebody like $1,000 to make this funky digital planner with all these options, you'd still be highly profitable on Etsy. So I mean, there's 2 routes, right? Do it yourself or get somebody else to do it. But what I want to look at is the store itself. And let's look at this. Amethyst and Garnet. That makes no sense, no connection at all to digital planners, which is all they sell, by the way. Look at this, digital planners, digital stickers, digital notebooks, printable planners. All they do is planners, and their name has nothing to do with it at all. But this store, I mean, they're kicking butt, like big time. They've got everything done right. They've got all the sales, they got the 5-star rating, they've got it all. So, I love that their logo is just like text. I love that. Their banner up here is done really well because it ties in with the logo, same colors, and they're just showing like, hey, we do digital planners. That's all we do. And that is cool too. Hey everyone, I just updated my best-selling all-in-one planner to version 10, my biggest update to date, and the bundle now comes with over 10,000 unique digital planners. We have so many customization options to make the planner fit your needs and wants and not the other way around. Check it out in my shop. So what they're doing is they've got like these fully customizable, like big time planners, and they just keep updating it. And then I'm thinking people just come back and buy the update, honestly. Now I don't see anything where they're like building a list or anything, but maybe they don't need to because they're riding the wave. So if we look at that, at the sales on just that one, that's a lot. Like 235,000 profit. That's big time. That's amazing. And then they've got everything else. So they have their digital planners. If we just look at those, I guess these are their versions. And then they go into the stickers, which is actually another big area that you can get into. Because if I click on this, you'll see these are all stickers that people can put in their planners. 115 of them, man, crazy. So this store is doing big time money, big time sales, and it's only growing. And I think it's a great example of one that they just took a product and they just rode with it. I don't know if they started out originally trying to do something else, but maybe they did the printable originally. And you see the printable ones are a lot easier to do, but I don't think they sell as well as the digital right now. Let's just look at their, well, let's run a product analytics on the digital or the printable page and see the comparison. Yeah, see their digital stuff is doing the best compared to the printable. That's probably their top printable right there, which is daily, weekly, monthly planner, gratitude journal, to-do list, bundle habit tracker. There you go. So I think that when you look at stores like this and you're saying, well, what's their best seller, how are they doing it, then think back to like what's their market, and then think back to, well, what's really working well on Etsy. And that's just one store, so we can go to another one too. Here's another one with 28,000. If we go to this shop, and this one is 93,000 sales, Planners Collective, 2,600 on that, and it's pretty much the same thing. It's build your own custom planner in under 2 minutes. Choose your layout. Well, that's cool. And let's look at this shop just for a comparison. And all they have like 12 products. Just amazing. So I think the niche itself is gigantic and growing. And I think there's a lot of money to be made in it. But that one shop that I found, this one, is one that if you're getting into digital planners, what I would do is I would buy one and just flip through what they offer. I mean, if you have any kind of tech savvy, you can make these in Canva. You can make these with PowerPoint. You can outsource these. In fact, if I say this, I want to outsource this, I could even go to Fiverr. And I'm just going to see if digital planner, if anybody's making these. I will be your Etsy digital designer for long term, starting at $314. So yeah, you could get me. I mean, the prices can go pretty high, but these guys know how much these make. This is my question though. When I go to Fiverr and I see that, and they're charging a ton, right? But they know how much they can make on Etsy, clearly, because they're charging so much. Why don't they just make their own Etsy shop? Is it like not available in their country? Is it what's the deal? I never understood that. So let's say I wanted to go with this one. And I'm like, okay, I want one. That's the standard. That's a basic standard premium. Over 700 pages plus an Etsy pack, hyperlink planners, commercial license, 2,000 stickers, Etsy shop banner, logo, and thumbnails, 21 days delivery for $571. That's Canadian. But you're thinking, whoa, I'm not going to pay that. Well, you know what? For me, if I'm looking at that, I'm going, okay, I know these work on Etsy. I've seen how much other stores are making. I don't want to spend, like, they're going to take 3 weeks to make this for 571 bucks. Then per week, that's peanuts. Is that not worth my time, worth my money to purchase this from Fiverr and get this guy to do it? Or girl. Is it a guy or a girl? I can't tell, but logo. But anyway, the excuse of, I can't do this because I can't do a digital planner. Yeah, you can. You can. You're just going to have to take a little bit of risk in forking over some money to do it. But if you're willing to fork over that money to do it and take a risk and kind of bet on yourself, is what they say, you can end up making a ton of money without even doing the designer, doing the digital planner yourself. So I think lastly, I'm just going to go to eRank real quick just to confirm this. I want to see what the monthly trend buzz thing is for these digital planners. Oh, great. Hey, buggers. Maybe I'm not going to eRank. Oh, there we go. Okay. So let's go to Trend Buzz. Let's see where Digital Planner is this month. Number 7. And if you want to see volume on it, look at that. Average searches, 99,685. Digital Planner. Lots of competition. Lots of Google searches. Lots of everything. But the reason it's so competitive is because it makes a crap ton of money. So I think it's a great idea. I think if you're thinking I can't do it because I can't do a digital planner because I don't have the tech skills to do it, well, pay somebody. Pay somebody to do it. That one store had like 12 of these. That's it. If you add even one of these to your shop, you're gonna make money. Anyway, that's my video. That's my shop review on this one. Amethyst and Garnet. I saw it and I thought, man, that's a great way to make some money with a product that I don't think too many people are using. So shop review, I think this is number 5 that I've got out there. Enjoy. So let me know in the comments if you're going to make one. Let me know in the comments if you already do digital planners. And let me know in the comments if there's anything else you want to see. All right, have a great day. We'll talk to you soon.